Most people panic the second their Starbucks gift card stops working. But here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, the card is not actually broken. It's usually a simple issue you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly why your Starbucks gift card may not be working in 2026, the fastest fixes that actually work, and the mistake that causes many people to lose access to their balance completely. Make sure you stay until the end, because one fix is helping users recover cards they thought were permanently unusable. First, let's get straight to the biggest reason this happens. The Starbucks app may not be syncing correctly. This is where most people fail. They keep trying to pay again and again without refreshing the app. So here's the first fix. Close the Starbucks app completely. Reopen it, and check if the balance loads properly. If it still does not work, log out and sign back in. For users like Jake, this alone often fixes the issue immediately. But here's the problem. Sometimes the issue is not the app. It could be the internet connection. If you are using weak Wi-Fi or unstable mobile data, the payment system may fail during checkout. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and try again. Now here's where it gets interesting. Physical Starbucks gift cards can also stop working if the barcode gets damaged or scratched. If the cashier cannot scan the card, manually enter the gift card number inside the Starbucks app. Many users do not realize you can still recover the balance this way. In a minute, I'll show you the fastest way to check if your card was locked for security reasons. But first, let's talk about expired or empty balances. Starbucks gift cards usually do not expire in the US, but regional policies may differ. Sometimes users simply forget they already used the remaining balance. Go into the app and tap the card section. You should see the current balance and transaction history. Alex noticed multiple failed payments because his balance was only 80 cents. The app looked broken, but the card simply did not have enough money left. Now here's the important part. If you recently bought the card, activation issues are very common. This happens especially with grocery store purchases. The card may not have been activated properly at checkout. In that case, keep the receipt. Starbucks support can often verify and fix the issue faster if you have proof of purchase. But here's the biggest mistake you need to avoid. Never share screenshots of your gift card barcode online. Scammers can drain the balance almost instantly. So to recap, restart the app, check your internet connection, verify the balance, manually enter the card if needed, and contact Starbucks support if the card was not activated correctly. If this video helped you fix your Starbucks gift card, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what problem you had and which fix worked for you.